Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to use SF symbols in Figma. So guys, if you want to use the SF symbols in the Figma, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you go for the actions, then plugins and visits, and in the plugin and visit here you simply search SF symbols. After that, sorry, not the SR, it's SF. Okay, then guys, here you see there is a one plugin SF symbol pro. Guys, make sure the name before you use it, so you just click on it, and guys, here you see 14,000 plus fonts icon, so you just click and run. Now it's loading your SF symbols, so you just wait. Here you check guys, here there is a lot of SF symbol are shows here. If you want to increase and decrease the size, so you just click like this, and guys, here you see the SF, then SF Pro, and here is the emojis. Okay, and if you want to use any of them, so you just click on it, and if you get a insert a SVG, so you just click it and click it. Okay, so this is the way that guys you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. I hope this video is very helpful for you.